Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Here you can see my rusty bonnet. This is actually created with paint and not an angle grinder. Keep watching to find out how. Now, after doing a bit of research, I found these guys online at rustypaint.com. Highly recommend them. Brilliant stuff, easy to use, any of you could do this. Now this is what you get in a box, and I was lucky enough to actually get a few freebies, some stickers, key rings and bits and bobs. So I'm quite chuffed with them. A few of them stickers will be going on the van. Also here we've got the activator bottle. It's actually a sticker wrap. And this is the actual activator, which you mix in the bottle with water. This is the paint that comes with it. This is a 500ml, and it comes with 2 bottles of hardener. And you just tip them straight into the tin. Obviously, if you had a 250ml, you'd only get 1 bottle. If you went with a bigger tin, you'd obviously have more of those bottles. And you can't separate them. Obviously, if you only wanted to use half a tin, you use 1 bottle, and so on. So here's the project, and the plan is obviously to do this bonnet first of all. I do plan on doing the rest of the van. And this is the second coat of paint that's been rolled onto the bonnet, and you could do it with a brush, but ideally you don't want the push marks. And this is the activator, which you just simply spray over the top of the paint. Easy as that. Obviously you let that dry off, and then you spray some more, and you keep on doing that until you've got the result you want. This was it about half an hour later, and you can just about see the rust beginning to come through. So this is not going to rust your actual vehicle. The paint does have like protection in it to protect your vehicle. This was it, I'll probably say a couple of hours later. Now I am doing this in November in the UK, so we have got rain and miserable weather and so forth, which I'm working with. Which personally I think has actually helped it. And this must have been about 4 hours later. You can see it's really beginning to pop out now. Really loving the results of this. Really nice. And this is it the following morning. Now I could, if I wanted to, carry on spray more activator on that to make it darker. Let's say it's personal choice. This is how I've decided to leave it. As I say, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and you can see the process of my van as it goes along. The van is currently being converted into a micro camper as well, so head over to my channel to watch that, or watch some of the other micro camper builds I've done.